Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share a unique dessert recipe that's not just delicious, but might also help those of you dealing with tinnitus. That's right, we're talking about a pineapple dessert that's both easy to make and potentially beneficial for your ears. So, why pineapple? Well, pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that's believed to help reduce inflammation, which could be a contributing factor in tinnitus. While it's not a guaranteed cure, it's definitely a tasty experiment worth trying. Let's dive into how to make this magical pineapple dessert. You'll need 1 whole pineapple, 2 tablespoons of honey, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a dash of love. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, let's get our pineapple prepped. Cut the pineapple into slices or chunks, whichever you prefer. Make sure to remove the hard core. That's not the fun part to eat. Next, arrange the pineapple pieces on a baking sheet. Drizzle them with honey and then sprinkle some cinnamon on top. This not only adds a layer of flavor, but cinnamon is also great for blood circulation. Another plus for our health-focused dessert. Pop your tray into the oven and let it bake for about 25 minutes or until the pineapple is golden and caramelized. Oh, the aroma that will fill your kitchen is just heavenly. While our pineapple is baking, let's chat a bit more about tinnitus. It's that ringing or buzzing noise in your ears that can be really annoying. Managing tinnitus often involves various approaches, and diet can play a part. Foods rich in anti-inflammatory properties like pineapple are often recommended. All right, our pineapple should be about done now. Once you take it out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. Serve it warm, maybe with a scoop of vanilla ice cream if you're feeling a bit extra indulgent. And there you have it, a simple yet effective pineapple dessert. Whether it helps your tinnitus or just makes your day a bit sweeter, it's a win either way. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Remember, while food isn't a cure-all, incorporating healthy anti-inflammatory foods into your diet is always a good choice for overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tasty and thoughtful recipes. Catch you in the next video.